Pensavo di essere il solo ed unico Spider-Man in Italia. Mi sbagliavo.
No, sta male con la maschera, sta male, dai.
Sta già cagando addosso.
Sta male con la maschera, dai, sembra che urli.
I remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances. Finesse a nigga with some counterfeits, but now I'm counting this. Parmesan with my accountant lips. In fact, I'm down with this. I'm saying like food, it tastes like Kool-Aid for the analyst. Girl, I can buy a rusty world with my base stuff. Oh, that pussy good. What you said, it don't make taste buds. I give me 250, what you let me do the extra.
È una laurea.
Mi laurea prossimo anno.
Perché se lui
Just got to hang them funk. If I quit your BM, I still rock Mercedes funk. If I quit this season, I still be the greatest funk. My left stroke just went viral. Right stroke, put a baby in a spiral. Soprano C, we like to keep it on the high note. There's levels to it, you and I know. Bitch, be on.
All up, bitches. All up, bitches. All up, bitches. Hold up.
Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down.
Lo schiocco ha squarciato la nostra dimensione. Sta dicendo che esiste un multiverso.
I know you want me, you know I want ya. I know you want me, you know I want ya. I know you want me, you know I want ya. I know you want me, you know I want ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rumba. Ella quiere su rumba, rumba. Ella quiere su rumba, si es verdad que tú eres guapa, yo te voy a poner gozar. Tú tienes la boca grande, dale, ponte a jugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stick to the top, on my way to the top. A pit got it locked from goose to the locks. R.I.P. a big in Parker, that he's not, but damn he's hot. Label flop, but Pit won't stop. Got her in the cockpit playing with bits. Now watch me make a movie like Albert Hitchcock. Enjoy me. You know I want ya. I know you want me. You know I want ya.
Che cosa farei se fossi me?
Emma Fiorentina. Emma Fiorentina.
I knew my day would come around this time. Just had to cleanse my soul and free my mind. Yeah, I love my wrongs and I neglect my rights. Yeah, but I turned all my doubts into dollar signs. Yeah, yeah, you can't put a price on peace of mind. Yeah, I said we on the move, we gotta stay alive. Look, we on the top, who gon' stop us now? I said we coming for the top, who gon' stop us now? I said, hey, I'm all in, I'm all in. I ain't worried about a loss or a new friend. Never worried about a fraud or a new bitch. Lost love, I ain't worried about a raw cinch, yeah. Set it back to the cake flow. Broke bread with the team, that's a bankroll. Real heavy with the dream, young million. Till I got a million, through with the Benjamins, oh. This is here, Michael Jackson. Different type of pedigree for the underdog. Lost moves, made move like a shoe-haul. Stay true, never worry what the dues cost. Hey, what the funny nigga talking? We gon' get it poppin', we ain't got no other option. Always kept the gutter, turn the problem into profit. Turn the profit into power, got a whole nother outlook, oh. But you can't put a price on peace of mind. Yeah, I said we on the move, we gotta stay alive. Look, we on the top, who gon' stop us now? I said we coming for the top, who gon' stop us now? They wanna fight, I'm just gon' let them hate, Gotta go high, I gotta elevate, You gotta choose a side, you gotta pick, you gotta do what's right, you gotta elevate. Look, I ain't got no time to be hanging around. Nobody trying to figure out if they good or evil. I'm fighting the crime, saving your lives one at a time. I'm killing the rhymes, I do it for the people. I'm Peter Parker running through the six with a bag full of tricks. My boy, you better choose a side. I may have lost the battle, but I will not lose the war. I can promise you I will not lose this time. And I did it all independent, or really all independent. Now we winning. I got my homies cooking up in the kitchen. Intuition, so we gon' have to win it. Cause us up in this, the world is mine, and you gon' have to pay me attention. And I did everything that I did on my own. I'm a one-on-one for real, that can never be a clone. Better talk to me nice, better watch your tone. And I'm putting on for my whole zone, so I gotta go hard. I ain't got time to waste.